process of the Free Trade Agreement FTA between India and the four nations European bloc EFTA is progressing fast and is expected to come into force before the end of this year, the Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has said. The two sides signed the Trade and Economic Partnership Agreement, that is TEPA, on March 10, 2024. Under the pact, India has received an investment commitment of USD 100 billion in 15 years from the grouping, while also allowing several products such as the Swiss watches, chocolate and cut and polished diamond at lower or zero duties. The European Free Trade Association, that is EFTA, also has the members that are Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway and Switzerland. Yes, EFTA is progressing very fast, Goyal said PTI when asked if the agreement would come into effect this year. The minister said that the Swiss Council of States have approved the agreement and now will go to their national councils for approval. So this is an overwhelming support in the political circles in the Switzerland for the TEPA with EFTA is truly a sign of the times to come, and their statement also, it shows that it is very clear and important hurdle that we have passed, and we need to bring this in the entry to force by the autumn of 2025 before the end of the calendar year 2025, Goyal said. The bloc committed an investment of USD 100 billion, USD 50 billion within 10 years after the implementation of the agreement, and another USD 50 billion in the next 5 years, which would facilitate the creation of 1 million direct jobs in India. This is the first of its kind pledge agreed upon any kind of trade deal signed by India so far. The commitment is the key substance of the TEPA, that is the Trade and Economic Partnership Agreement, which took almost 16 years to conclude for India in return for opening its market for the several products coming from the EFTA nations. There is a provision in the agreement that if the proposed investments would not come because of some reason, India can suspend duty concessions to the four countries. Also, domestic consumers will get access to the high quality Swiss products such as the watches, chocolates, biscuits and clocks at lower prices, as India will phase out custom duties under the trade pact on these grounds and on these goods over the 10 years. It is the time taking to implementation of the program or the agreement due to the elaborate ratification process of these pacts in different countries. In India, such agreements are approved by the Union Cabinet. In EFTA countries, they need approval from their parliament. On the progress of FTA negotiations with other countries, Goyal said that it has held meeting with the new UK Trade Minister on this proposed pact. India and the UK are expected to hold the next round of talks for the proposed FTA later this month to resolve the pending issues and close the negotiations. The talk for the proposed FTA began in January 2022. The 14th round of the talks stalled as the two nations stepped into their general election cycles. We'll have to see how the proposals